Find the derivative of h of x equals e to the stuff. Now, this is going to use the chain rule. The chain rule is a function within a function. All right, so you are going to have inside stuff and outside stuff. The way the chain rule works is you take the derivative of the outside stuff. You keep the inside stuff the way it is, but then multiply everything by the derivative of the inside stuff. So the function within the function, okay? Now, the within the function part is going to be u. You are my inside stuff, because normally it's e to the x. Well, instead of x, I have all of that junk, okay? My outside stuff is going to be e. So me taking the derivative of the outside stuff changes absolutely nothing because the derivative of e to the stuff is still e to the stuff. Me keeping the inside stuff so far changes absolutely nothing because I have 5x squared minus 3x, so nothing has changed up until this very moment. Now what I do is I multiply everything by the derivative of the inside stuff. That inside stuff was 5x squared minus 3x. So the derivative of 5x squared is 10x, and the derivative of minus 3x is minus 3. So what was that, h? So h prime of x is going to equal u times u. And it looks like they don't want me to do much more than this. It looks like all I have to do is just circle that and say, yeah, my answer is D. All right, so again, you know it's chain rule when you have a function within a function. And usually since you have e to the x and you don't have e to the x, you have e to the something else, that indicates chain rule. And the inside stuff was you replacing x with all this junk right here. And so there you have it, chain rule. Fun stuff.